This video information is based on data from WebMD Pets, the largest animal medicine website in the United States, and AI-generated information from ChatGPT. Now, let's find out the 6 types of food that dogs should not eat. First, chocolate. Most people are aware that chocolate is not good for dogs. The problem with chocolate is a substance called theobromine. This substance can cause addiction symptoms in dogs. The most dangerous types of chocolate are dark chocolate and unsweetened baking chocolate. It can induce vomiting and diarrhea in dogs, and can also lead to heart issues, tremors, and seizures, even resulting in death. Second, onions. Onions, whether cooked, in the form of peels, roots, or juice, are all dangerous. Even onion powder can be risky, so it's essential to store them in places your pets can't reach. Onions can destroy a dog's red blood cells, leading to anemia. Dogs may exhibit symptoms such as bloody urine, vomiting, and diarrhea. Even if intoxication symptoms don't appear immediately after consumption, you should monitor for up to a week. It's also a good idea to check your dog's gums for any signs of paling. Generally, it's said that 0.5% of their body weight is considered a lethal amount. So, for a 3 kg dog, just 15 to 20 grams of onions can be lethal. Third, coffee, and tea. Coffee, tea, and other caffeine-containing products should be handled with caution. Even coffee grounds and tea bags can be problematic. While a tiny amount may not be a big issue, caffeine can be toxic for dogs. Caffeine can lead to caffeine toxicity in dogs, which can vary depending on the individual and the amount ingested. It may cause increased blood pressure and adversely affect the central nervous system's response time. Early symptoms of caffeine toxicity can include vomiting, increased breathing rate, abnormal water drinking, or anxious behavior. Therefore, it's essential to be vigilant about foods and drinks containing caffeine. Fourth, grapes. Grapes, often referred to as the fruit of the gods, are packed with various nutrients. While grapes have many benefits, they can be toxic to dogs. In fact, there have been reports of dogs experiencing severe symptoms like vomiting, lethargy, difficulty breathing, and even acute kidney failure with a rapid decrease in kidney function due to an increase in creatinine levels after ingesting grapes. For this reason, grapes should never be given to dogs, and they should be kept away from any opportunity to consume them. This includes various grape varieties like green grapes, muscadine grapes, black sapphires, raisins, grape juice, grape jelly, and any foods made from grapes. While some dogs may ingest a few grapes without apparent harm, others can develop serious grape-related symptoms even after consuming just one grape. Thus, it's essential to avoid situations where your dog can access grapes. If you suspect grape ingestion and time has passed since the consumption, inducing vomiting might not be effective. In such cases, it's advisable to consult with a veterinarian and conduct tests, including fluid therapy and blood tests, for monitoring. Fifth, raw meat. It's well known that raw or undercooked pork is risky for humans, and the same applies to dogs. Uncooked pork may contain various bacteria such as Salmonella, Campylobacter, and Toxoplasma parasites, which can have harmful effects. It's crucial to thoroughly cook pork and remove any fatty parts before giving it to dogs. It's advisable to provide lean meat in small amounts. Especially with fish, there's a parasite called anisakis, so it's highly recommended to cook it thoroughly before feeding. Regarding eggs, if there are impurities on the shell, they might harbor Salmonella bacteria. Therefore, it's recommended to wash the eggs and feed them to dogs after boiling. This can be a healthy treat for dogs. 6. Alcohol. Alcohol affects dogs much like it does humans, impacting their liver and brain. It can lead to paralysis of the nervous system and put a significant strain on the liver. Therefore, it is an absolute no-no for dogs to consume. Dogs exposed to alcohol may exhibit signs of anxiety or distress, which can progress to symptoms like vomiting, diarrhea, breathing difficulties, and even lead to a state of unconsciousness. So far, I've informed you about 6 foods that should never be fed to dogs. If you know of any other foods that are harmful to dogs, please leave a comment. It would be great if we could all share this information together. Subscribing and liking the video are a great help. Thanks for watching.